Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen not responding to touches on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up, restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone, and you will see reset all settings is here. Click on reset all settings, enter your phone pin, again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.